What's up, everybody? Thanks for checking me out. Hope you're having a great day. I went out to the mailbox. I came back, looked at my side door, and once you know, I found something in the mail addressed to me. So the first thing you want to do is you want to listen and make sure there's no ticking inside it. I don't hear no ticking. And then you got to shake it. I hear something clonking around in there, so that's a good sign. I don't like getting closed, so there's something in here, so I'll be excited to get it open. Also, I like my packages to have smiley faces on them. And I know there's something good in there. So now I can open it. That's my favorite, smiley faces. So before you guys get started, you got to have your handy dandy pocket knife with you. I got mine right here. So it also doubles as a letter opener too. Let me see what we got going on here. Hopefully I don't cut myself. Okay, hopefully I didn't ruin what was inside. Well, let's take a peek. Oh boy, it looks good. Something looks real good in here. Put that off to the side so nobody sees. See if anything else. We got a beautiful, beautiful magnet for my fridge. It says love on it. Very, very, very nice. You guys are supposed to take when you take the picture at the same time, I can't think what it's called anymore.
Screenshot.
A screenshot. Thank you for my camera assistant. So let's see what we got here. It says love. That's beautiful. It's got a magnet on the back. I put it on my fridge. Very, very beautiful. This is from Art by Sparkle. She does a wonderful job of packing. The grandkids will love it. We got some smaller ones and some bigger packaging tape. Air bubbles. The kids love to pop these. I won't turn this around yet, but I want to give you guys a quick lesson. This also, for myself, will double as babushka. If you guys know what a babushka is what the older Polish ladies wear in my area when it's raining out or if it's windy out. So now I got a babushka. Thank you, Sparkle. You guys ready? Screenshot. I hope you guys like it. So let's see what we got here. It's autographed. It says Happy Valentine's Day. Art by Sparkle. Now for the big reveal. In 3, 2, 1. Look at that. How beautiful that is. Hope you guys like it. That's beautiful, Sparkle. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you. It's going to go up on my wall. I wish you well. I hope Tom gets good health, gets better soon. I'll see everybody soon. Check out all my art friends because they all rock. Thank you so much. Have a great day.